Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Paper Crafting. In today's video, I am going to talk about what to do with paper bags. I'm sure you know what to do with paper bags, but I made a video the other day where I stamped on paper bags to decorate them. And it got me thinking that there are so many ways to use paper bags that I wanted to make a little bit of a video with all of the ways I came up with. So you may have seen this in other videos of mine. It is my idea book, and I did make a list of different ideas on how to use paper bags. So don't mind me, I'm a little flustered today. Don't mind my talking, my stuttering talking. I don't know what's going on. Also, I got glue all over myself. It's been a morning. I use Bearly Art glue, and my fine tips are not working anymore. So I have on the big tip. So I just did a project where I spent 20 minutes trying to glue it down. So I'm a little frustrated. And I also have to remember to order tips. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to, and of course I didn't grab it. Hold on. Why? Let me pause and grab it. Okay. It was right next to me, but I had to move my table, and I don't want to shake you. You're attached to my table up here. You know what? Let me show you, because I actually really love this mount. I use a webcam, and it's right here. See? Right here on top of me. But it's mounted to, I have a folding desk. You could probably see. Here's the line where it folds to store it, because I work in my bedroom. But I didn't want to shake you because this is my mount. And look, there's my computer that I watch, and my dirty floor. I have to vacuum. I've been crafting, and the dog ripped apart a toy. But that's my mount. So if I move my desk to do anything, I don't want to shake you. You know? So that's why I paused. Okay, so here is this month's journal. I have 4 ways to use Pocket to make blah. 4 ways to use a paper bag in a journal to make a pocket. I think that's what it is. Let me check. There's so much stuff in here. Yeah, 4. Okay. Okay. So I did one of these the other day, so we'll show you that one first. Here it is, and then you're also getting a little sneak peek. I cut the paper bag down. I cut it like about here. Okay. And then what you do, if you just glue the bottom down, you still have the paper bag access. See? You still have that access. All right, so that's one way, and then you just fold it back down, and you can't tell. So now let's flip to a blank page. Okay, so actually let's just take a page out. Can I? It's so chunky. So chunky. Nope. Okay. Good enough. I'm just going to put this aside so we don't have to look at it anymore. Oh, and I pinched my finger. It's no problem. Okay, so another way to use a paper bag, let me just grab one here, is to cut it down like I did already. I mean, if you can go taller. I just usually just cut it down, and when you cut it down, then you can use this for something else. But you could glue this down like this, and then you have a little side pocket, or you glue this whole thing down and you just have a pocket. That means you glue, where's my glue? You glue like this. Look at how fast this comes out. Oh, I don't like it. I'm gonna have to order a tip sooner rather than later. But yeah, my tips are just shot. I can't get any glue out of them. So you glue it down. And don't mind the dog barking, because what am I doing? I'm crafting. I'm such a bad puppy mom. So this one I would glue down here and right here and glue that down so it's a solid pocket, and then glue it all the way down. Okay. Glue it all the way down and clean up that glue on that side. Let me trim that down because we don't need it. Okay. So now you have this pocket. You have this pocket, and then one other way to make a pocket is when you're doing a sewn signature. Okay, I have glue all over my fingers. This is not going to go well today. When you have a sewn signature, I would snip off a little bit. See, I like to make it still look like a bag. Okay, I want you to know it's a bag. But you would fold it in half and then put it around one of the pages, and then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. So with these 3 pockets and then this pocket and then this pocket where it's popped up, that are 4 different pockets to use. So you only glue the bottom, you glue the whole thing, you glue it to the side, or you put it in with your sewn signature, and then you have a pocket here, and you snip this piece and have a pocket here. So those are 4 pockets. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, what else do we have on my list? I don't know if I remember. I made this list. I don't even remember when. Okay, that's not the list. Here we go. Okay, as a journal. Now, I am not going to make one. I'd like this to be a quicker video. Also, I saw it on Lyric Lover Crafts channel. I will link the video down below. But all she did was fold, okay, and then fold the paper bag. Use this as a cover, okay. You just fold it 3 times, fold it where the pocket is, fold the other piece down, and she added a stitch journal in here. So it's a quick, easy little paper bag journal. Like I said, I want this to be a quick video. I will link her video if you don't know who she is down below. But she made one not too long ago, and it was really cute, and there's that idea. Also, I should just keep this open. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I have two ways off the top of my head how to use these to make mini albums or make an album. Okay, so we'll just use this one too because there's no waste here. I would cut them all down to size. So right here looks good to me. I'm just estimating. It does not have to. I'm not oh, let's make everything perfect person. No. This is just to show you different ways. You figure it out yourself if you would want to make something, because maybe you would want it to be a little bigger. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as I make it. So I cut them all basically the same size. And what I would do would be then take my hole punch, punch a hole here and punch a hole here, wind some ribbon or twine or whatever through. And that way then, and I would also glue these bottoms down. Just like I did on the other one. I would just glue and glue. Glue these bottoms together so they're a solid pocket. I know you're going to punch a hole in it, but... And then I would just take, I'll do it with one, so we're not wasting all the bags, because guess what? I'll use these as pockets in a journal. Okay, and then I would just punch a hole, put some ribbon through. I don't have any ribbon handy. That really stinks. But I would put a ribbon through, and then this would be a pocket, and this is where you add your little inserts. And then once you had them all stacked, they would be together, and you could just flip through them and decorate them, all that, and you have a little paper bag mini album. Now, my other idea for a mini album would be this. Let's get rid of this one. Would be this. Now, once again, we're going to glue the bottom closed. Okay, glue the bottom closed. And then what we're going to do, I will do one to show you. I don't need to do two here. There we go. So glue the bottoms closed. And then take one, okay, glue it down the middle. So I would glue right where this is because it's an easy way to show how to glue that. And then, right, yep. Line them up. Okay. And then you have an accordion. Where is it? Come on. Got glue in there. Okay. Careful not, oh, because of the hole. I didn't even think about the little hole. So then you got an accordion little mini album. Do as many as you want, and then they're just stacked. But be careful of the thumb hole, the little hole. I forgot about it. Didn't even cross my mind. I'll be honest, it didn't cross my mind. So let's just trim those off, so that's not a problem. There we go. See? Then you have this. So you glue the bottoms together, and I missed a spot right there. That's what you do. Then you glue a bunch of them together, and you have that little album, and then you can have this little album, and then the ways that I gave you to use pockets. And all of this stuff here, I would save all of this, and then you could actually also probably use this to make an album. Hold on. Let's snip that off. Glue this down. Yep. There we go. I'm already coming up with another idea. Then this is now a pocket. Okay. Pocket. And then you just do that and you attach all of them together with the ribbon closure, rings, whatever you would want to do. And then you have these pockets, and then you would have these pockets. These pockets, and so forth. So there's 3 ways to use a bag to make an album, and then 4 ways to use bags to make pockets. If you have any other suggestions, leave them down below. Ow, that hurt. Sorry, leave them down below, and thanks for watching today. This is a quick one, just some ideas. I mean, I have a bag of 100 freaking bags. I need to figure out things to do besides making pockets in my bags, right? Pockets in my journals with the bags. You get what I'm trying to say, correct? Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day, and like, subscribe, and comment down below with any other ideas. You guys have an amazing day.